In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a friend on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Steam and then at the top left corner right here click Add Friends and then choose Add a Friend. After that, you will be taken to that page where we have 3 different ways how we can easily add a friend on Steam. The first way is to add a friend using your friend code. Here is my friend code. I can click right here at copy. And then I can head over, let's say, to some messenger, and then I can paste it and send it to my friend in that way. So then my friend need to head over to friends, add friends, just like we did, and then paste our friend code here, and then they will be able to send us friend request. And in the same way, our friend can send their code to us. We need to enter it here, and then we'll be able to add that user as a friend. However, there is one more convenient way to invite a friend via invite link. Here is my invite link. I can in the same way click add copy. The link is copied now to the clipboard. I can in the same way head over to some messenger, maybe social media platform, and then I can send this link to my friend. Once your friend follows that link, you and your friend will be instantly connected when they accept the invitation. Just keep in mind that each link can only be used once and automatically expires after 30 days. And the last way to search for our friend is to search by their profile name. We can click right here and then enter our friend's profile name and then click Add Search. Here I got a bunch of different results because I've just entered 2 popular username on Steam. However, if you entered the exact username of your friend you are looking for, you will be able to easily find it. And then to send them a friend request, just click at the button which is called as a friend. And now it says that friend invite sent. They will appear as a friends once they have accepted your invite. That's how you can easily add a friend on Steam, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.